Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss very important questions of paper 2 which are related to essay 1. If you didn't watch my previous paper 1 video which is related to essay 1 only, the link is in the description as well as in the comment box. Please check it. Again, I am repeating, this video is only helpful for the students who are weak in basics as well as who are willing to get only pass marks. Okay, let us jump into the topic. We have a triangle ABC and in that DE, BC both are parallel to each other. He is asking us to find out the x value. So let us check it out now. In a triangle, if two lines are parallel to each other, then we will use the basic proportionality theorem concept. That is, upper one by lower one, 2 divided by 4 equals to upper one by lower one, 3 divided by x. Doing cross multiplication, 2 into x, 2x equals to 4 into 3, 12. Take 2 to the right side. So x is equals to 12 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are. Then x value is 6 units. We have two triangles. One triangle ABC and second triangle DEF. And these two triangles are similar to each other. This AC measurement is given as 2 units and DF measurement is given as 3 units. Area of the first triangle is given as 24 centimeters square and area of the second figure we need to find out. It's very easy. Just we need to remember the logic behind or else the relation behind the side and area. Area of the first triangle divided by area of the second triangle. So here second triangle area we don't know, so I am taking it as some x. I repeat, area of the first triangle divided by area of the second triangle equals to side of the first triangle square by side of the second triangle square. 24 divided by x is equals to 2 square is 4 divided by 3 square is 9. Again doing cross multiplication. 24 into 9 equals to 4 into x, 4x. Take 4 to the left side. So we get 24 times 9 divided by 4 equals to x. 4 1s are 4 6 are. So x value is 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. We are finding area, so that will be centimeter square. Right angle triangle is given, then he is asking to find the cos theta. In this trigonometry, this is the first kind of question. Means in the figure question they will only give the figure as well as for that triangle all the three sides will be mentioned clearly in the question itself. Just we need to write the formula and we need to substitute the values. Okay, the question is asking to find out the cos theta value. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent to theta divided by hypotenuse. So for theta, adjacent is 4 divided by hypotenuse is 5. So cos theta value is 4 by 5. Next type of question is, they will give the figure, but in the figure one side will be missing. So first, by using Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out the third side. So let us find out the third side first. What Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square, that is 10 square, equals to height square, that is 8 square, plus base square. Here base is missing, so I am taking it as some x. So x square. 10 square 100 equals to 8 square 64 plus x square. Take 64 to the left side. So it will be 100 minus 64 equals to x square. 100 minus 64, 36 equals to x square. X square is 36. Then what will be the x value? 6, because 6 is 36. So this base I got it as 6 units. Then in the question he is asking us to find out the tan theta, right? So what is the formula for tan theta? Opposite side to theta divided by adjacent side to theta. For this theta, actually theta is missing, sorry for that. So theta is here. For theta, opposite is 8 divided by, for theta adjacent is 6. So tan theta value is 8 by 6. Here simplification is possible. You can do that also. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So that will be 4 by 3. Next. In the previous 3 cases, he gave the figure itself in the question. But now figure won't be given. Just some question will be given. We need to draw the figure and we need to find out whatever is asking. So let us check it. If sin A equal to 7 by 8. So I am drawing one right angle triangle. Alphabet A is given, right? So I am taking this as angle A. If in case if they give theta, means that theta you need to write inside of it. Okay. Sin A equals to 7 by 8. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, right? So for this A, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. Now, according to the question, 2 sides are given, right? So third side we need to find out by using the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. Base is not given, so I am taking some x. 8 square 64 equals to 7 square 49 plus x square. Taking 49 to the left side, so 64 minus 49 equals to x square. Then x square equals to 15. X square is 15, then what will be the x value? 15 is not a perfect square, so write simply root 15. So x value we got it as root 15. Then in the question he is asking us to find out the cos A value. Cos A. Cos is adjacent to A divided by hypotenuse. For A, adjacent is root 15 divided by hypotenuse is 8. So our value is root 15 divided by 8. Next, find the value of sin 30 plus cos 45. So to solve these kind of questions, definitely we need to know the total table. Sin, cos, tan, as well as secant, cosec and cot values for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So sin 30 1 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2. Here both the denominators are different, so we need to do cross multiplication. 1 into root 2 plus 2 into 1 2 divided by 2 into root 2 root 2. If sin of A minus B equals to 1 by 2, cos of A plus B equals to 1 by 2, then find the values of angle A and angle B. Sin of A minus B equals to 1 by 2. In sin, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 30 degrees. So it means A minus B value is 30 degrees. So that we can read it as sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then coming to second, cos A plus B is 1 by 2. In cos, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 60 degrees. So A plus B equals to 60 degrees. Let us simplify these two equations now. A plus A 2A minus B plus B cancel. 30 plus 60 90. Take 2 to the right side. So we will get A equals to 90 by 2. 2 1s are 2 45s are. A value we got it as 45 degrees. Then we need to find out B value also, right? So take either the first equation or second equation. I am taking the first equation. A minus B equals to 30. A value we got it as 45 degrees minus B equals to 30 degrees. Take 30 this side and minus B this side. So 45 minus 30 equals to B. So angle B equals to 15 degrees. Coming to the next question. If cos 7A equals to sin of A minus 6, then find the A value. This is the topic related to complementary angles. Those formulas are sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta. So please, if you don't know those formulas, means read it. Every formula is there in the textbook. Cos 7A equals to sin of A minus 6. To compare this angle to this angle, definitely left side as well as right side trigonometric ratio should be same. Left side we have cos, right side we have sin. Both are completely different to each other. So our first thing is making both same. Cos 7a, I will write it as sine of 90 minus 7a, because sine of 90 minus theta value is cos theta, and right side I am writing as it is. So now if we check, left side we have sine, right side also we have sine. So both trigonometric ratios are same. Then we can compare the angles. Left side angle 90 minus 7a equals to right side angle a minus 6. Take minus 7a right side and minus 6 left side. 90 minus 6 will become plus 6 equals to a, minus 7a will become plus 7a. 90 plus 6, 96 equals to a plus 7a, 8a. Take 8 to the left side, so we remains with 96 by 8. 8 ones are 8 12. So a value is 12. Next, show that cot theta plus tan theta equals to secant theta into cosec theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Here both the denominators are different, so we will do cross multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta. Already we know the identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 divided by sin theta cos theta as it is. Now I will separate this as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Cosec theta. 1 by cos theta? Sec theta. Next, prove that under root 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Whenever in the question, if this under root is there and numerator denominator are there, same process, just remember. Under root 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into, here in the denominator minus symbol is there, means you need to write a plus symbol. If plus is there means minus. So here 1 minus cos theta is there, right? So we need to write 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now in the numerator 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square by, in the denominator always we will be having a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta. Numerator I'll keep it as it is, that is 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by, here 1 square is nothing but 1, so 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Now in the numerator as well as denominator we have square, right? So what I will do is 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. Square root square cancel. Then we remains with 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Let us separate this. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta cot theta. Hence proved. Next, if cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cos theta equals to k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. This is one of the very important questions. Observe this clearly first. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Write that as it is. Take it as equation 1. Cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k. Then related to cosec and cot, we have one identity. What is that identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. This cosec square theta minus cot square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So if we expand it, cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 as it is. Cosec theta plus cot theta is nothing but k. So in the place of cosec theta plus cot theta, let us write k into cosec theta minus cot theta as it is equal to 1. Take this k to the right side. So we will get cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. This is equation number 2. Now write both the equations together. First equation is cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, and second equation is cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. I am adding these two equations. So plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Cosec theta plus cosec theta 2 cosec theta equals to k plus 1 by k. Write this k as k by 1. So 2 cosec theta as it is. Doing cross multiplication, k into k square plus 1 into 1 by 1 into k. Take 2 also right side. So we remains with cosec theta equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Draw one triangle, right angle triangle. Take this as theta. Okay, here we have cosec, right? So what is cosec theta? Hypotenuse by opposite. So this is a hypotenuse and this is opposite. So this will be hypotenuse and this will be opposite. Now here k square plus 1 is there, so write it as k square minus 1. Of course, actually by using the Pythagoras theorem we need to solve it, but I am not at all interested to say that because I said this is just for the beginners. So I don't want to make you more confused. So just remember this one, plus is there in minus, minus is there in plus. So now he is asking something to show what is cos theta. So let us write the cos theta from this figure. Cos theta equals to, what is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For theta, adjacent is k square minus 1 and hypotenuse is k square plus 1. So cos theta value is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Coming to the applications of trigonometry kind of questions. In this, only the question looks very big, but definitely the answer is going to be very, very small. Just simple thing only. A tower stands vertically on the ground. So this is tower. It is standing on the ground. Next. From a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower, right? From this 15 meters away. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. Then find the height of the tower. Very easy. This angle of elevation is given as 45 degrees. Then he is asking to find out the height of the tower. Okay, now observe. This is angle. For that angle, this will become opposite and this will become adjacent. Opposite and adjacent related to this, which trigonometric ratio we have? Tan. So apply tan. Tan 45 equals to, opposite is height, we don't know, divided by adjacent is 15. Tan 45 1, which is equals to h by 15. Take this 15 to this side. 1 into 15, 15 equals to height. So height, it should be in meters, so write m again, because here also meters only, so that's why one more also will be in meters only. So height of the tower is 15 meters. Next, find mean, median and mode of the given data. So here, as I already said, this is just for the beginners or else who are just willing to get pass marks. So that is the reason mean I will explain only by one method, that is direct method. Then after we will go with the median as well as mode. So first let us find out mean then by direct method. Mean by direct method. In the exam also, if they ask mean by any other method, if you are not at all aware of another method, you can go with direct method, but no one gives you full marks. For example, you got a question to find out mean by step deviation method, but you are completely unaware of that step deviation method, you don't know how to solve it even. So what you did is you did by direct method. If the question is for 4 marks, they may give 2 or 2.5 like that. So no, if you change the method, you won't get full marks at all. Okay, mean by direct method. In this mean by direct method, we will be having 4 columns completely. First column is class interval Ci. Second column is frequency Fi or simply F. And third column is class marks Xi. And coming to the fourth column, that is Fi Xi. Ci class intervals will be given in the question itself, that is 10 to 25, 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. These are the class intervals which they give in the question itself. Next, frequency 237666. 237666. Okay, class interval as well as frequency which are given in the question itself as it is I wrote. Next, coming to the Xi, that is class marks. How we will find out the class marks? First, take the first class interval 1025. 10 plus 25 by 2. 10 plus 25, 35 by 2. 35 by 2, 17.5. So write that 17.5 in the first column of Xi. Next, second one, that is 25 to 40, right? Take the average of it. 25 plus 40 divided by 2. 25 plus 40 is 65 by 2. 65 by 2 how much? 32.5. So right here 32.5. Okay, now if we observe the first class mark as well as second class mark, we will get some logic. 17.5 and 32.5. For the first number, if we add 15, we will get the second number, right? So keep on adding 15, 15 now. 32 plus 15, 47. 47 plus 15, 62. 62 plus 15, 77. 77 plus 15, 92. For everything, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. That's it. Now we need to find out the Fi Xi rate. That Fi Xi is nothing but Fi is second column and Xi is third column. So second column numbers and third column numbers, if you do multiplication, you will get the answer. So let us check it out. First, I will multiply these two, right? 17.5 into 2, 35. Next, 32.5 into 3, 97.5. Next, 47.5 into 7, 332.5. And the next one is 62.5 into 6, 375. And the next one is 77.5 into 6, 465, sorry, 465. Last one is 92 half into 6, 555. This is Fi Xi. Then let us write the formula for direct mean method. Direct mean method by direct formula is x bar equals to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So this total last column we need to do addition and we need to write. That comes under sigma Fi Xi. So let us add it. 35 plus 97.5 plus 332.5 plus 375 plus 465 plus 555, 1860. The same way, add this total frequency, that is sigma Fi. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 6 30. Write that 30 here. So 1860 by 30, 1860 by 30. Now here 0 0 will get cancelled, then we remains with 186 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6. So mean of the given observations is 62. Okay, now let us find out median for the same data. Median. For median, we will be having only 3 columns. Column 1 is class interval as usual. Column 2 is frequency, F or Fi, whatever it is. And column 3 is LCF or CF, cumulative frequency, or is least cumulative frequency. Both are same, of course. So first let us write the class intervals. 10 to 25, right? 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. Now writing frequencies, 237 666, 237 666. Now cumulative frequency or else least cumulative frequency, or simply CF. Write the first number as it is. Keep on adding now. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. This is LCF or CF, cumulative frequency. Now let us write the formula for median. Median formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what are these L, N by 2, CF, everything we will get to know, don't worry. So here in the cumulative frequency, the last number is N. So N equals to 30. Now find out N by 2 for this. So 30 by 2 equals to 15. Now come to the cumulative frequency. In cumulative frequency, pick all the numbers which are bigger than 15. 18 is bigger than 15, 24 is bigger than 15, 30 is bigger than 15, right? In this, pick the smallest number. 18, 24, 30, the smallest number will become 18, right? So the total 18 row is round up. Okay. Now, this 6 will become F value. Above number will become CF value. And this will become L value. Now let us substitute here. L is 55. So L plus N by 2, 15, minus CF 12 divided by F 6 into H. What is H then? Take any two numbers and do subtraction. 25 minus 10, 15. Class size, that is nothing but. So 15 here. So what we will get then? 55 plus 15 minus 12, 3 divided by 6 into 15. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So our answer will be 55 plus 1 15s are 15 divided by 2. Write this as by 1. 55 twos are 110 plus 1 15s are 15 by 1 twos are 2. 110 plus 15, 125 divided by 2. This is the median of the given data. Now, for the same data, let us find out the mode. So, mode only 2 columns. One is class interval and the second one is frequency. So, class interval is starting from 10 to 25. 10 to 25, then 25 to 40, then 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, last 85 to 100. Now coming to the frequencies, 237 666, 237 666. Okay, now this is about mode. So in the mode, nothing extra. Now let us write the formula for mode. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now, what are these F1, F0, F2, all those things means? In the frequencies, which is the biggest number? 7 is bigger, right? So that row you circle. This 7 is F1, Previous is F0, after is F2. This is L. Come on, let us substitute in the formula now. L is 40. So 40 plus F1 7 minus F0 3 by 2F1 2 into 7 minus F0 3 minus F2 6 into H class size 25 minus 10 15. Write that 15 here. Let us simplify this now. 40 plus 7 minus 3 4 divided by 2 sevens are 14 minus 3 minus 6 into 15. 40 plus 4 divided by 14 minus 3 11 11 minus 6 5 into 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So finally we remains with 40 plus 4 into 3. 40 plus 4 threes are 12. 40 plus 12 52. So mode of the given data is 52. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.